I've been away for a minute, but we made a big change to OG Weeds, and I'm gonna show you what we did. I'm gonna get some hate for it. Some people gonna disagree with it, but like I said, I'm different. So I'm gonna show you what we did. As you can tell, a little peek, you probably can tell from here, but let me show you what we did. As you can see, we went with the new steering wheel for OG Weeds. Let me open the door up. Went with that Rucci steering wheel in here, in the interior. Around this way, you can see how she look in the interior in here. It does have a spinning cap, but I necessarily do not care about the spinning cap and the Rucci wheel. The reason why I went with the Rucci wheel is because I wanted the steering wheel for basically the interior. And so when I looked at my interior here, to me, what it screamed was I wanted like a spoke style steering wheel. So I intentionally was gonna go with a company called LA Wire and I can't remember the name of the company. Luxor was other steering wheel I was gonna go with. But it was just something about it. It didn't have sturdy. I like the spokes of these. The spokes of these are kind of sturdy looking. And that's why I wanted the sturdy spokes. Just a more solid looking steering wheel. So I went with the Rucci. Now, that being said, I understand that they do not match the wheels. I get it. And also, the steering wheel was also picked because of that. So again, like I've said before, watch my other videos, I'm going to stay with the 30s. But if something happens where I bend them or change them, the wheel that I probably would go with would be the Rucci Hooch is what it's called. And I'm also got a price a little cheaper than what I thought they were actually, because I think for 30s it's like 85 for the wheels and 65 for like 28s if I wanted to downsize. But right now I'm gonna stay what I got. The gold is a little different, like you see here, it matches that. Matches my little gold cup holder in there a little bit. Matches some other little gold details. So interior, everything matches pretty good. It's a little different than the gold on the outside of the wheels. But I wanted to add a steering wheel. I like the way it looks inside. So I may change up the outside because, again, it does look different, but at night it looks good together. And so to me, during the day, the gold looks a little different. But at night, for something when you gas station lights or street lights, whoo, it hits. So anyway, this is not gonna be a long video, short video. Just want to show you that we are still making changes to OG Weeds. Next I'm gonna do is probably pull this tent off the back, go glass house on them. One other thing, because like I said, I'm not necessarily big. I mean, if I had to pick, I'm gonna go Rucci. But if somebody knows where I can get, I seen somebody had these little different caps. You can get them custom made. Let me know, because I necessarily don't have to stay Rucci. And I like to have my own custom cap made for myself. That way to be different. But right now we're gonna ride with the Rucci cap. Yeah, and that's kind of where we at. So, but if you're looking for a spoke steering wheel to go in your interior, I would try LA Wire. I would try Luxor wheels. But for me, it was nice. It just wasn't that sturdiness I was looking for. So, went with Rucci. Because if I change the wheels to any kind of like Corleone or Forged, I'll probably go Rucci. I'm gonna give you a quick around since it's been a minute. OG Weeds, and then we'll catch you on the next one. As you can see, this side, and I did clean this past weekend, but we was outside all weekend, so shit a little dirty. But it's been a minute, and I wanted to get y'all video, so I was riding, grabbed my camera, so let me record a little bit. Also, I got a big surprise coming up on an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to record that this weekend, but you know how life goes. I've had some things I had to take care of, so this took me a little longer than I wanted to get to record. But this was big for me to get the Rucci wheel, so I wanted to show y'all that we added that to the interior. Anyway, this is your boy, Not the Majority, and we'll catch you on the next one.